Alright, hey everyone. So I'm going to do a tutorial on making the exploding box card. You need 2 pieces of 12 by 12 paper. I already cut this one down. You will cut it to 10 1/4 by 10 1/4. The second one you're going to score at 4 inches, 8 inches. Turn it 4 inches, 8 inches. I already scored this one to save time. And then you need a scoring pad. I scored the other one on the Cricut because I don't have a bigger scoring pad, but obviously you can see this doesn't fit either, but it works. So for the lid, you're going to do 1.5 inches and 3 inches. Turn it, and the same 1.5. Sometimes this textured paper makes you move. And 3. Turn. So I just take it and finish my lines the best you can. You could just fold it over as well. I should probably just invest in the bigger score pal. Alright, so when you're done, you should have a square in the middle that is 4 1/4, and each of these are 1.5 by 4. Okay. So we'll just continue with the lid since it's in my hand. Next, we are going to take off these 3 little squares right here. I usually cut in. Okay, and then you go to each corner and do the same thing. Alright, so all of my corners are cut. I do save these little scrap pieces, just in case there's a small element I want to make with them when decorating the card. Alright, so then you're going to flip it over, and I usually start with the 3-inch mark, and I just start folding. Make sure it's straight. So it's all folded. Then you are going to hold it so it's facing this way, and you're going to make a slit up to the next score line. So you have a flap. Okay, and then you're going to rotate it and do the same thing all the way around. So you will have 4 1.5 by 1.5 flaps. This is what it should look like. Then you will take one side, fold it up, and take the second side and go over that flap and come down. And you're going to do this all the way around. Sometimes you have to, if you didn't cut it just right, you have to make it a little bit smaller. Looks like I was off on the usually one side that gives me trouble with that. Okay. Just keep folding until you get all the way up. Yeah. Sometimes depending on how thick your paper is, you might have to go in and trim it so it sits nice, but there's your lid. Now, once I fold it, I then unfold it and I put tape runner on this edge here and then fold it in. And then you can also cut a 4-inch square and tape it into the top to make it look finished. Okay, so there's your lid, and then your base, you're just going to fold on all of your score lines. So 4 inches, and the other 4 inches. And you will take out this corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner. Alright, so once you cut all of the squares away, you should have a cross. You will fold it up and put your lid on. I have made the lid a 1/4 inch bigger than the box, because depending on what you put inside, it can, bulk it up a bit. You could make it a bit smaller if you're not going to put a bunch of layers in there. Trial and error. That's how I figured it out. Thank you.